Alright guys, back again, week 3 of the full body workout, do it in your house. So like I said, same segment as last time, so warm up, stretches, main workout and cool down. Same as it is always before. So when you're ready, we'll get straight in. So same as before, watch and follow and then we'll go from there. Are you ready? Cool, so that's our warm-up finished. So like I said, from there we're just going to go straight into the main workout, yeah? So same format as before, 4 exercises, 4 times rounds, and then that's the workout complete, yeah? Okay, so straight away, I'll take you over to the first exercise that we're going to be doing. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So we're going to be doing, if you have a mat, that's perfect. If you don't, then you may do without. So it's going to be like a Criss Cross leg burpee. So you're going to start here, we'll go 1, 2, come down, come back up, and then same thing again, 1, 2, down, back up, and then continuously keep going, yeah? That's number 1. Second exercise is going to be a bit of a core and upper body balance exercise. So if you've got a resistant band, you can just tie it around a table leg or something like that in your house. But if you don't, then you can just implement the same movements. You'll still feel it in your core. But what you're going to be doing, you're going to be grabbing the band, lean right back into your mat so you can feel the resistance straight away. So you want to be here in a plank position, come back even more. So from there, you want to pull, come back up, in a push-up position, come back down, swap hands, all the way out, all the way in, pull, come up, come down, like so. So you just keep alternating hands. So yeah, plank position, come up, come down, pull, same thing, come up, come down, swap hands, and then like so. So that's number 2. Number 3, it's a bit of a weird one, so it's going to be quite dynamic. So it'll be like a burpee, but you're going to squat right down into it, and then you're going to crawl. So from here, you'll jump, squat down, crawl all the way into a push-up position, 2 shoulder taps, come right back into the squat position, jump up, same thing down, crawl, shoulder tap, and then just keep repeating that movement. So that's number 3. And final one, like I said, if you've got a band, do this. If you don't, then again, just implement the same movement pattern. So what you're going to do, you're going to be here, the legs are going to be nice and straight, band's going to be around your back, so you want to be holding it like this. Then you're just going to come up, twist, twist, come back down nice and controlled, and then when you come back again, just starting on the other side. So up, twist, twist, down, up, 2 twists, and then back down. So that's the lot, that's the 4. So from here, what we'll do, we'll get ready, and then we'll start the workout, yeah?
Round 1. Round 3. Round 4. Final.
Guys, so nearly there. So we've done the main workout, done the warm up. So just gonna take you through some cool down exercises now and some stretches, and then we'll wrap up from there. So first one, same as last week, just gonna slowly roll our shoulders forward. We're gonna be breathing in, coming over, and then breathing out on the way down. Another way. And from there, just going straight up and straight down. Okay, from there, bring your legs wide apart, hands in a diamond shape, and you're just going to do a big circle coming up. So you're going to breathe in, hand out, and coming down. From there, just going to reach down and hold on one side. And the other side. And from there, just spin it around, relax a little bit. That's it. And then come upright, hands on hips, and then just do some circle. And the other way. Okay, from there, we'll either use a wall or a pole, so I'm going to use the wall for this one. So you're just going to bring your hands nice and high. So stick the hips back, and then let yourself feel a little pull in your mid back and upper back as well. Yep, from there, staying where you are, so just one hand on the wall, step forward, and then just feel a stretch in the front of the shoulder. And then just turn away, that's it. Other side. Yeah, from there, so bring your arm across your chest and then just turn. You should feel it in the back of your shoulders now. And other side. Okay, from there, just going to stretch out the forearms now, so just bringing the wrist back, you should feel stretch going right down the arm. Sit and swap. Okay, just a few more. So like last week, you want to stretch the lower body now. So against the wall, and then just bring a knee in, stretch the glute. Yep, other side. And from there, just hinging at the hip. So same as last week, straight leg, one bent, and then just reaching down. Yep, and then swap. Final one, just going to stretch the quads. So use the wall to support or without, completely up to you. And then you're just going to pull your leg back so it's in line with your torso. Another side. Okay, and then from there shake it out. So that wraps up today's video, guys. So same thing, you can expect this every week as often as we can for now. So should be out every Tuesday, so full body workout. If you've got any other recommendations that you want to see, then just let us know. But yeah, that's it for now. See you next week.